Welcome to Emergency Insights. I'm your host, James Carter. Tonight we're addressing a critical topic for healthcare providers: management of snake bites. This is a situation that demands rapid, informed action, and understanding the core principles can dramatically improve patient outcomes and mitigate life-threatening complications. The immediate priorities in snakebite management are crucial. First aid, performed correctly, can be life-saving. The absolute cornerstone here is immobilizing the affected limb. This helps to slow the spread of venom through the lymphatic system. Conversely, it is vital to remember what not to do. Avoid tourniquets and incisions. These interventions are not only ineffective, but can cause significant harm, including tissue damage and increased venom absorption in some cases. Following initial stabilization, the next critical step, whenever feasible, is prompt identification of the snake species. While not always possible, if the snake can be safely identified, it directly guides the selection of the appropriate antivenom, which is the mainstay of treatment. In situations where identification isn't possible, a broad-spectrum antivenom may be considered based on local epidemiology and clinical presentation. Once identified, rapid administration of the appropriate antivenom is paramount. The timing of antivenom administration directly correlates with its efficacy in neutralizing circulating venom and preventing further tissue damage and systemic effects. This isn't a situation for delayed action. Beyond antivenom, close monitoring and supportive care are indispensable. Patients require meticulous attention to their airway, breathing, and circulation. Fluid resuscitation is often necessary to address hypovolemia. Furthermore, snake bites can induce a range of systemic effects, notably coagulopathy, which requires careful monitoring and management. Renal dysfunction, neurotoxicity, and local tissue necrosis are other potential complications that demand vigilance. Finally, ensuring that the patient is transferred to a healthcare facility equipped to provide comprehensive snakebite management is crucial. This means a facility with access to various antivenoms, laboratory capabilities for coagulation studies, and the expertise to manage potential complications, such as respiratory compromise or acute kidney injury. In summary, the evidence points to a clear pathway for effective snakebite management: rapid, correct first aid, prompt antivenom administration guided by species identification where possible, and comprehensive supportive care within an adequately equipped medical facility. By adhering to these principles, healthcare providers can significantly improve the prognosis for snakebite victims. Thank you for joining me on Emergency Insights. I'm James Carter. See you in our next episode.